Hi, Paul here. The Spaulding Team, Berkshire Hathaway. It is Tuesday afternoon. Kind of a late show today, but it's just been a busy day. So let's see what's happening in the greater Las Vegas market here. Yeah, let's go on. Let's see. So we have lowest price, $105,000. Two-story condo, 1,000 square feet, 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, built in '82. No pictures. Bonanza and Lamb. Good little rental unit. Then, let's see what goes on next. Wow, look at all these. 2.2 million, highest price today on Winter Palace. Wow, it's a nice looking house. Palatial Estate. Pretty nice. I don't know where the pool's sold though. It's pretty nice. Let's see where it is. 7,200 square feet, 6 bedrooms, 6 baths, 4-car garage. Wallapai, Queensridge. Okay, that explains it. What size lot is this? Big one. 8/10 of an acre, 34,000 square feet. Okay. Okay, then yesterday, so a condo on Reno. See, 103. First floor unit. Looks pretty clean for 80,000. Look at that. 1 bedroom, 1 bath. Tropicana Spencer. Okay. By the university. There we go. Let's see. The highest price yesterday. $2.7 million, a 5,700 square foot, 4 bedroom, 6 bath, 4-car garage, pool, spa, brand new house. Okay, artist rendition, contemporary. Wexler, where is this? Charleston, interesting. Okay. Must be a Newtown Modern. Blue Heron. Okay, under construction. Interesting. Alright, so that's the new. Let's see what's under contract. 10, 13, 14, 540 in escrow. And sold 5.7. Okay, we've got a couple of them today. Condo 78,000 over on Swenson. Just about walk to the strip. There's a strip over there. Lovely airport in between though. Little storage unit there. Good little rental unit. Paradise. Newton. Okay, right by the airport there. Okay. the airport. Okay. 5757. Lots of closed escrows today. Oh, look at that little sucker. Looks pretty dated, but shows good on the outside. Golden chestnut, 110,000. Okay. And yesterday we had Soda Springs. Single story condo. Interesting. $84,000 townhome, 800 square feet. Over on Walnut and Geist. Pecos and Las Vegas Boulevard, Sunrise Manor, okay. Then $1.425. Pretty nice. Country Club. Good deal. Okay, so that's that. Now, let us search again for homes with pools and find out what's happening there. Gone into escrow in the last 2 days. $61 in the last 2 days. Ranging anywhere from $229 to $1.45. All over the place. Okay. Another thing I wanted to see. Price points. Okay. Alright, well, I think that that's it. There is one other thing to look at here. And that is our stats again. We just looked at these the other day. What happened? There we go. I think this is the same as we did before. But we have, this is what the sales price has done the last 3 years. Incredible. So let's look at what happens 214,000 more, even more credible. We're at 304,000 now. So let's see what single family, 307,000. New construction. Oh, new construction tapered off. That's good. Previously on another spike there. And if we did this and that, okay. 3 bedrooms and more. Interesting stuff. Okay. Well, that is it for today. We will talk to you tomorrow. Have a good day.